Now, the NIO stock finished trading at $6.52 yesterday, up 12.8%, which is something that is just so amazing. The short squeeze, it's here. NIO, it is a company that is performing well in terms of the share price. I see a lot of the investors very happy, excited about the gains that we are seeing on to NIO. Yesterday, when I did a video, NIO was up 6%, and people were still, of course, not sure if NIO will end the day on a green. And seeing NIO not only ending the day on a green, but ending the day up 12.8%, it is something that brought a lot of excitement onto the new investors, because we are seeing a short squeeze. We are seeing NIO burning the short sellers because of the fundamentals, because of what China is doing, because of the current sentiment onto Chinese equities. We are seeing companies like NIO performing way better than what some of the investors are expecting. I mean, a lot of investors are saying double digits will only come or might come in December. But the way things are unfolding, I tell you, it will come. Double digits might come like a thief at night. So without us expecting $10, it might come in a month, it might come in 2 months. It is very much possible, the way things are unfolding onto NIO. And therefore, if you are still waiting for NIO to retrace back until you buy, maybe you will not get that perfect opportunity you are getting, you are looking for. If you are waiting for the right moment, it might not come. The time is now. If you want to buy NIO, buy it now. If you want to increase your holdings now, because we don't know where NIO will be at next week on Friday. We don't know where NIO will be at in a month's time. And therefore, for you to be safe, for you to be part of the people that will be rejoicing in the near future, you need to load the boat now. You need to add NIO to your portfolio now, because share price wise, we do not know where NIO could be. And of course, these are just my opinions, right? If you still want to wait for your $2 or for $3 before you buy, which will not come, it's up to you. But for me, I think right now it's a good opportunity. It's a great opportunity for you to go in the market and buy NIO now. I mean, those that are buying NIO now are so lucky, because some of us, before NIO tanks this low in terms of the share price, we were buying NIO. Our average was $36. I remember when NIO hit the $66.99, my average onto NIO was $36. And I thank God today my average on NIO, because of this heavy beating, NIO being tossed to and fro and being beaten down in terms of the share price together with other Chinese equities, I was loading the boat. And right now, as I'm doing this video, my average on NIO, it's $17.80 on the dot. And whenever I get money, whenever I get an opportunity, I load the boat, because I know that blue sky coming. So $10, many people might think that it will only come at the end of the year, which, if it does come or happen like that, it's still fine. But if it comes in a month's time, I think you and me will definitely agree that those that are not taking this low trading price will definitely regret why they did not do so. Because if there's one thing that we know from NIO, is that blue sky is coming. From here, we are continuing to rise. NIO is a company that continues to do well, and chances are it will not stop performing this good performance anytime soon, because fundamentally NIO, it is positioned in a way that it's just going to bear good fruits for them. I mean, today they started with the deliveries of the Envoy L60, like we have discussed on the video I just did today before this one. I am happy to see that, and that in itself, Envoy L60 deliveries is going to unlock more deliveries. October we are getting 5,000, November 5,000, December 10,000. On top of the NIO deliveries. This is good news. These are massive news. These are bullish news. And it tells you that if you are still thinking that NIO is going to go back to $5, $6, you have to think again, because fundamentally NIO, it's getting stronger. Fundamentally NIO, it's growing much stronger, which is something that is just so amazing, so incredible to see NIO continuing to do this well, not only fundamentally, but also the share price is recovering. So next week, we don't know, but hopefully we continue seeing an upsurge in terms of the share price of EV stocks like NIO. I'm very happy. I'm excited. Who knows? Next week we finish the week trading at $8, $9. We don't know, but we hope for the best. We know that blue sky is coming, and those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded in the long term. So tell me what you think about this. Share price wise, I'm expecting a continuation of the uptrend or of the upside. Are we gonna go back to $4? I don't know, but I don't think so. But if it happens, it's a good opportunity for you and me to load the boat, to increase our holdings, right? $10 is coming soon, and I will still stick by this. And I will still say, even if it does not come now or next week, next month, but before the end of this year, I think we will visit double digits, which is something that so many of the new investors are patiently waiting for. We are waiting to get to see NIO get to that level, because this company has been beaten down quite sharply, and seeing it to go to double digits, like I said, it will bring a huge relief onto the NIO investors. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about the share price of NIO. Are you liking or enjoying what you are seeing onto the NIO stock? Are you entertained, ladies and gents, by the NIO stock? I think it is entertaining me very well, and I hope to see the good entertainment coming even in the weeks to come. Otherwise, it is important that before you buy NIO, increase your holdings or sell. You need to do your own due diligence so that at least you are comfortable as you are investing onto this stock, because the stock price wise, NIO is quite volatile, and therefore it requires you to do some due diligence so that at least you are comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.